So you hire a search engine optimization firm to help you out, and they help you with your keywords, and they help you with the content, and maybe they kind of guide you through the maze of what you need to do. How do you know if they're doing a good job?
In one word, metrics. So you have to keep track of the metrics. We talked about the fact that digital marketing is about the digital channels and the data that you're capturing and you're tracking, you're analyzing. Ask those experts to give you reports on a monthly basis and analyze these reports and make sure that you connect them to your KPIs, your key performance indicators. And by the way, Score mentors can do a really good job at helping you doing that. If those metrics end up improving your KPIs, if they end up improving the bottom line, then you will know that what you're doing with them is actually paying off.
Okay.
And it will take time for that to happen. It's not going to happen overnight.